So you wanted to mix some materials and some textures, and you have made this bluish leather that you show on Facebook. So let's take this box and make it a little bit similar to yours, what I'm watching. So let's do like this, and we can take this part and just put it in a bit, and ta-da, apply transformation. And I will go here and go to edit and select all and UV project from view. In this case, we then need to set up your material. So let's just make a quick bluish material here, and what you have right now is something like this. Let's put the light on the other side. You have, as you see, something like your blue material. This is, of course, is very simple because it's not the material, it's the mixing that is the part here. So we have your blue material and so on. We then need a logo, and what you have to make sure here is that you have a logo with an alpha channel. An alpha channel is like here when you see background is transparent, so it's showing this grid here. You could do that by loading in your logo, selecting the background in your image editor and delete it, then save it as a transparent PNG file. And this is what I've got here. Of course, this is a render, but still with transparent background. I can then pull this logo into Blender here, and to address it, you see, I put the logo on here, and we can add Node Wrangler and scale it down a bit. Let's just tell it not to repeat. And we can move it around a bit here. And as you see right now, well, the alpha channel is, well, the transparency, it's just black. And that's because we have not set up the transparency yet. Get back here. Like this. That's fine enough. But if you then, instead of doing this, pull it out and add a mix color, you take the blue one into the top one, like this, and you take the picture into the bottom one, and put the result into here, and then you take, because of the alpha, you take the alpha here and set this into the vector, and ta-da, you got your blue with your logo on. So that's how it is, and I think this is what you're looking for, so I hope you find this quick and helpful. Good luck with the project, and greetings from Denmark.